Okay, so this is how to get the debugger working in Qt in the Windows environment. So if you're using Windows C++ compiler, you need to install the standalone debugging tools for Windows. So if you go to Google or Bing and search for Windows standalone debugging tools, and then in my case it was my first hit, it's Windows Driver Kit WDK and debugging tools for Windows. Scroll down to standalone debugging tools for Windows, and you want the standalone debugging tools WinDebug as part of Windows 8.11. Even if you're running Windows 7, you want the Windows 8.11 debugging tools. So just click on that. You can download or just run. I'll choose to run. Install. Next. Agree. And what you need is just the debugging tools for Windows. And go ahead and install. Now I already have it installed, so in my case it's going to say 0 bytes installed. Okay, so once you have the standalone debugger installed, you have to make sure that that Qt knows about it. So to do that, you go to Tools, Options, and then Build and Run. And we're going to go look at debuggers, but first let's look at kits. So these are the auto-detected kits. That's the build environment for each of these different things. So for Windows Phone, the ARM version, the x86 version, those are both not usable because we don't have the right stuff installed. But the Qt 5.3 for Windows is usable. There's a warning. There's no specific device set, but that's okay. And if you notice, we have here the compiler selected is Microsoft Visual C++ compiler, otherwise known as MVCC. And it's 12.0, which is the version, it's very confusing the way Microsoft number their versions. The MVCC version 12 is the version that's found in Visual Studio 2013. And you can see we have, for debugger install is the CDB engine using, and it gives the path name to where my debugger is installed. You must install a standalone debugger. Qt can't find the debugger inside Visual Studio. You need the standalone debugger. So if you don't have that there, then go over to debuggers, and where I have auto detected, you won't have anything, and you'll have to add and then specify the name of the debugger and the path. So the path to CDB that you just installed, downloaded, and installed. Once you have those done, then you should be able to, once that's included in your kit, you may have to do a reconfigure of the project, but you should be able to then debug it. And you